Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, mga kamag-anak, families, and friends. We are happy to be here with the birthday celebrator, our cousin, Mrs. Crescencia Richion-Gao. I was informed by the youngest daughter, Mirna, from Chicago, that Manang Chrissy will be having a 19. Imagine na reach niya yung age na ganon. Although our family tree, the diction tree, their life longevity is up to 98. I'm looking to my brother Noli kasi yan ang mga kakilala ni Manang Chrissy. So we were informed by Mirna from Chicago na mag-birthday nga si Manang Chrissy. We used to be together in San Manuel, Pangasinan. Whenever I am in San Manuel, she comes over to our house and nagkukwentuhan kung ano-ano lang, tapos sharing our problems. Like, for example, nagkaroon sila ng problems sa property with their other cousin side. And later on, nawala siya. Nandito na pala sa Manila. She was residing in Bulacan. But in spite of that, she wants to visit me here in Quezon City. So, our link with each other, our association with each other as cousins were very much I think that it will all, and I'm always wishing you that God will give you more years to come and longevity in life, good health. I love you.
Yan, maraming salamat po, Mother. Sa ngayon naman po, tinatawagan po natin si Miss Gail Dishon. Okay? Miss Gail Dishon.